Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am Deepika Kokote. I want to tell you a story, so let's start. Once upon a time, I got up in the middle of the night. I was sweating profusely. I switched on the light only to find that there some kind of electricity failure. I came out of the room and got some fresh air. It was stormy outside, and that might have been reason for the electricity failure. I drank cold water and took a chair. After that, I sat in the veranda. Suddenly I heard a loud sound. It was coming from my neighboring house. I was so confused. Now what to do? After that, I gathered courage and went to inside went inside to bring a torch. After that, I took torch and started moving moving towards my neighboring house. I looked inside from the window, and I saw two thieves covering to the owners at gunpoints. After that, I stepped back and I started thinking my next step. At that moment, I heard a sound. A motor I heard a motorbike approaching 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 near. I, I was I signaled them. They stopped and asked me the reason for stopped them. I I told them all story. After that, the police went to near and helped two couple. A- After that, the police caught them. They tried to move away. After that, we sigh of relief. Then suddenly the whole area illuminated. After that, two couples saw me and thanked me for my sharp mind. Thank you for watch this video.